Hi. My favorite food. I play football every Wednesday and Monday. I love football. Football is good and fun. Football is good for my body. I play football in my school. Play football with my mom and my brother. My brother loves football. I see sometimes football in my
team. My name is Bertram. Written by Bertram. I like to play football. I have a football. My football is black. It is outside the window. I play every Sunday. I play with Anton. I don't like surfing.
My pink knife. Written by Clara. I like to be a scout. I have a knife. My knife is pink. It is on the table. I go every Monday. I don't like football.
Slut!
Don't mingle my beautiful horses. My name is Henriette. I like riding. I have a horses. Me horses is black and white. Me horses is riding school. I'm riding with me friends. I don't like school. Danmark Gammel Hammelvej 47 i Volby.
In my spare time, I ride the horses, written by Clara. I ride the horses. I ride a pony. A pony is a pinto. I ride a pony game. I win a prize. I like horses. Horses is my friends. It is me. My name is Clara. I don't like football. I win a prize.
My name is Linus. I like riding. I don't have a horse. I'm riding a brown horse. It is called Suna. I'm riding every Wednesday. I don't like soccer. I'm riding with Malte.
Hello, my name is Mads. I love swimming. I go to the swimming now. I love swimming. I swim now. I swim inside a pool. The swimming pool is white. I love swimming. Swimming is nice. I swim every Thursday. Mads loves swimming. It is nice.
I have a boat. My boat is yellow. I like to sail. It is in the garden. Sail in summer.
In my spare time, the blue dead ball. My name is Marcus. I like to play dead ball. I have a dead ball. My dead ball is blue. It is outside the window. I play every Wednesday. I play with friends. I don't like skating. I like to be a scout. I have a knife. It is inside I go every Monday. I go with my friends. I don't like football.
I am a goalkeeper, written by Nicoline. My name is Nicoline. I like to play handball. I have a handball. My handball is white and purple.
Go.
It is in my bag. My bag is purple. I play every Wednesday and Thursday. I play with my friends. I don't like running. I am a goalkeeper.
My name is Oliver. I like to play football. I have football. My football is black. The ball is outside the window. I play every Sunday. I play with my friends. My name is Oliver.
I like
to play badminton. I have a catcher. It is black or white. It is in my room. I play in my garden. I play with family. I don't like to play tennis.
Oscar ride on his scooter. My name is Ossie. I am glad. I like to ride on my scooter. My scooter is black. I have a trampoline. It is in my playground. I don't like tennis.
Pula, my beautiful horses. I like riding. My horse is black. It is my home. I'm riding every day. I'm riding with Maya and Camilla and Katrina and Helena and Simone. I don't like football.
Scooter. My name is Smith. I love my scooter. My scooter is blue and white. My scooter's name is Dominator. I drive my scooter every day. Sometimes it fail and hurt myself. My first scooter was slam. Game over.
Sport and spare time. My name is Signe. I like basketball. I have a basketball. It is yellow and orange. It is inside the house. I play every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I play with Mom. I don't like table tennis.
In my spare time. Written by Celia. I like to go swimming. I swim with Isabella and Rikke. I have a bathing suit. My bathing suit is blue and yellow. It is inside the closet. I swim every Thursday. We'll play with a ball. We'll dive a lot. I don't like riding.
The Beach, written by Anneli. My name is Anneli. I like to swim in the sea and I like to be at the beach. I have a bathing suit. My bathing suit is black and pink and green and yellow. I swim every summer. I swim with my friends. I don't like sailing to the sea. and I swim in the deeply water, and I eat ice cream, and I water skis in the sea after the speedboat. I also have sunglasses and sun cream and sandal, and I compromise on the towel, and I fear the crab. Instruction. The book about my spare time on the summer, on living in that glow.
The Scout Axel, written by Axel. My name is Axel. I like to go scouting. I have a scout uniform. My scout uniform is blue. It is hanging on my wall next to my door. I go every Monday. I go with my friends. But I don't like when my friends are mad. We are outside at scouting and we build a fire. I like to play outside.